Welcome to Wednesday. I'm not in my proper uniform. Yeah, not in my proper clothes. It's just a bit of an update. I've had loads of things going on in the last couple of evenings. So yeah, no major update. It's pissing down with rain. Garage is just holding up just. Tick, 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 tick. But what I'll just do is I just want to look at the headlining because yeah, well, let me just get the camera and show you. Hard to get it in camera shot. This is what we've got left of the front section. Now I'm trying to think what we can do to save stuff. I've had a quick look online, I think, today, but as far as I know, I think they're fairly pricey. Brand new ones, the frames. These are slightly different to the later minis. The later minis, they sort of, the bars sort of hooking across and sort of, and then you glue. Then the frame, the fabric then gets glued, like we did in the previous one, the jetback. The early ones, they sort of they have like a metal frame, and it sort of like just pops in. But this one's been completely ruined because they fitted a sunroof. So what you can see here is where the people have just basically cut to obviously allow the sunroof to go in. You can see where the old sunroof then sort of, they've got trapped, and which is fine if you had a sunroof, but we haven't got one now because we've fitted a whole new bloody roof. God, remember the amount of work we've done? I can't remember that. Jesus. Anyway, so 2 options. Obviously, just go buy a brand new frame. You're going to need recovering anyway, so I need to see how much the covering is. The other option, what I'm thinking in my head at the moment, is there is some little stubs left, as I said here. We can try and we cut some metal. I think it's sort of like, they're like pressed steel, but we can, pressed over, folded over, you can just see there. But we don't have to do the same. We could just I could just cut some length of steel, ½ inch wide or whatever, and actually just bend it and at least make the frame shape, and we can just weld them back onto here. So I think this is busting, so it looks like it's steel. Or find some sort of other sort of type steel that we can use. I'm sure we can find something, and then we'll make some new frames up, because they don't have to be perfect. They're not going to be seen, are they? I might have to buy another headlining and actually fit it. So I think what would be the best thing to do is, in my head I'm thinking is, we'll take all this off, take all the fabric off. Rear one there, you can see, nearly all intact. As you can see. So unless someone's just suddenly going to say, oh look, we've got a spare one. You can see here, that's what was going on the front one. There's not much there. Didn't know where that was going. So basically, it looks like there's a bar that goes to the front as well. So it looks like, okay. So what they do, the newer ones, they sort of, the fabric has just got a sleeve that you put the pole all the way through. It looks like these later ones come separate. And so basically, because of this bar that runs down the middle to keep the shape, these then get stapled. That's it. They come as 2 flaps, and then they get stapled on. Okay, so that's how that works. So this one's missing 2 bars. You can see there, it's gone. So that's why it's been cut for the roof. So we need to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars. So pretty much all of it. But it should be okay, because what I can do is we can cut 2 pieces of metal, 2 strips. We'll put it in the car, we'll fit it in the car, and then we can weld it in the middle, because that will then help us get the correct length. So yeah, I'm thinking that might do. So that's my ideas at the moment for saving the headlining. So it's only a short update, but it'd be nice to get your views in case somebody says, oh look, nah, just mini spares, sell them, or don't even bother with the headlining, go with a race look. And then we'll either sort of buy a headlining or we try and make one. But I'm thinking, let's repair the frame first and get that fitted, and we'll see how he looks. If we can repair the frame, I think we should be good. Okay, well, I don't think, unless we can get an old frame to, if I could get 1, 2, 3, 4, or even if I picked up another one, it's still going to be not enough. Even if I just picked up a rear section, it's only got 4 bars in it anyway. But anyway, as I said, silly update, but yeah, get your views. What do you think? Repair, fix, buy new? Send me any links if you see anyone for sale. Yeah, alright, that's it. And I promise, I know people got very disappointed that I didn't tidy up. I promise. The next video, I shall tidy up, because I need to tidy up. It looks like a scrapyard in here. Anyway, what's for tea? Don't even know. I've got to stay late at work. I've got to do a release. So, fingers crossed it's pizza, but you never know. Alright guys, bye bye. That's it. Help me out.